How to get free green screen videos to make a cool videos. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you the best app for Android and iOS to make a great videos with green screen effects. And also I'm gonna show you how you will find the best editing app too. So the app called Greenscreen Videos and Effects. This app has many videos with green screen that you will make your videos so cool. And after you download the app, don't forget to download also KineMaster. This app has you can do editing with it. You can remove the green screen and make cool videos for your TikToks or YouTube channel. And that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe